So in the last one in 4a, we looked at what the pattern is. If x is changing by 1, how is y changing? And what's that going to look like as a straight line? For this one, we're going to use the power of the y and x intercept. Because then anything that's on that line, we can connect those two lines because we know where they cross those two axes. And then we can see the points along there that we're going to be able to connect to. So let me make sense out of it. The y-intercept is the y value when x is 0. So with any equation that we have, all we have to do is plug in, if we're looking for the y-intercept, and it makes sense, where x is 0 along this line back and forth, that's where we're going to find our y. So that's the y-intercept. So it's just, remember, it's the opposite from each other. The x-intercept is where y is 0, the y-intercept is where x is 0. And so we just substitute to find what we're looking for. So on this one, we're just going to sketch ourselves, and I might, before I start drawing the sketch, I'm just going to see what the intercepts are. Do you need me to explain this more? The intercept, I don't think I've explained it well enough. The y-intercept here is at 2. So that coordinate is x is 0, y is 2. Because back and forth, positive, negative, right on the origin, straight up is where that line is going to cross the y. What are the coordinates of the x-intercept? What comes first? X, and then 0, because on the y's, we're neither up or down, we're neither positive or negative, we're right on the x-axis. So in practicality, we'll take this, 2x plus 3y equals 6, and that gives us enough information to find our x and y intercept. So to find the y-intercept, what are we looking for? We want to find where x is 0. So I'm going to take that, 2x plus 3y equals 6, and simply substitute in place of x, 0. So 2 times 0, that's out. That gives us 3y's equals 6. And of course we want, so 2 times 0, gone. So I've gotten rid of that 2. 3y's, divide by 3. And if I'm in good maths mood today, y equals 2. So on the y-axis, I'm going to need to go at least as high as 2, and that's where my y-intercept is going to be. My x-intercept, x-int, is going to be where y equals 0. So you can probably tell if I use the same formula, 3y equals 6, I'm going to find out what x is by multiplying 3 times y, substituting 0 for y. So that effectively negates 3 times 0 is 0. Now we're left with 2x's equals 6. So 1x, divide both by 2, equals 3. So I can put this pretty much in the middle. They're both positive, so I'll do this. This really should be another color. This is my x-axis, and this will be my y-axis. Better if you drew them in a different color, also with a ruler. And so what was my y-intercept? When x is 0, y is 2. And when y is 0, x is 1, 2, 3. So those coordinates are 0, 2, and 3, 0. Oh, I shouldn't put that there. You can probably see why I shouldn't put that there. Because the whole idea is to sketch the graph of 2x plus y equals 6. And with my ruler, which I don't have, I'm going to connect these, and I'm going to continue that straight line. So you'll eventually be able to see, if you had a real proper true straight line, which other points that's going to go, and that goes on forever. That's using the x and y intercepts. That's apparently all we need to do with that one.